therefore be ye perfect even as your Father in heaven is perfect. And big bright lights came on. And the wages of sin are death. Why, it is bright. Okay. So what we're saying is with this new higher frequency of your mind, okay, you bring these very simple sentences together in a ritual of at-one-ment and perform the passion of unity. One of my instructions to the disciples out there is begin to perform total ritual. This is called getting into the now. Let all of the concepts that you have held in limitations and are organizing in your squeezed perceptual mind come together each moment in the ritual of self-awareness. Okay, go to Mass all the time. Do you see how nice this becomes then? So that everything you do is a form of coming to unity, letting light come in. This can be very valuable to you.